Good morning, good morning. It is Friday, which means it's Social Studies Day. We are going to start today writing scripts for our wax museum. So you pick someone important from the Revolutionary War. Um, you should have been spending the last couple weeks researching and taking notes. This is where you can find those research notes. Hopefully you have that whole top chart filled out and then you added some dates for your timeline. That will make your job next week a whole lot easier. But this week, you are going to write your script. It needs to be about between 8 and 20 sentences. Um, you are going to be writing this like you are that person. So, for example, I wrote it out here. Hi, my name is George Washington. I was born in, instead of saying George Washington was born in, you are going to be George Washington for the sake of this script. So my goal is that the script is done by next Friday. So when you think about work that has to be completed for the drawing that will take place on Sunday, this is not one of those assignments. So don't worry about getting your script done by Sunday night. Start working on it. Hopefully, with your 45 minutes of my class today, you should be able to knock a script out if you have your research done. But if you need to take it a little bit slower, um, this does not need to be done until next Friday. Don't forget, you can hop on Epic. If you get to writing and feel like you need a little bit more information, there's a ton of books on here about all of the different figures. So if you feel like the book that I chose for you wasn't quite enough, hop on, see if you can find another one. If you are in my language arts class, remember journal is due by the end of the day today. It has to be done by Sunday in order to be in the drawing. Don't forget your morning ticket. Don't forget about these extra activities. Hangouts today are going to look a little bit different. We're going to have a full morning hangout instead of doing Fun Friday in the morning. We're going to do Fun Friday in the afternoon. So we're going to kind of swap things a little bit. We'll have a homework time from 9 to 10. Remember, I'm not planning lessons or activities for this time. It is simply homework help time. That's how I've been doing Fridays. So if you have a question, if you're not sure whether or not you got something finished or whether or not you did it correctly, or if you need help, um, it would be a great idea just to hop on, check and make sure your work is done, and hop back off. That would be a great use of that time. You don't have to stay the whole time. If you want to hop on, ask a question, and hop off, that sounds great. Tomorrow afternoon, there will be no, or Friday afternoon, it is tomorrow for you. For me, it's still Thursday night. Friday afternoon at 3:30, we will have a parade. It will be coming through Benton. I really hope to see all your faces. If you are from out of town or you can't make it, that's a-okay. No worries. But if you'll be around, here is the parade route again. Mr. Lease actually just sent an email with this again today to your parents. So if they need it, have them hit me up, but it should be in their inbox also. This is the route we'll be taking, so be looking for us. No afternoon hangouts. So keep that in mind. Our normal 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 time will not be happening. Okay. We'll be getting ready for this parade. We'll be in Benton getting stuff together. Okay. So we are really looking forward to Friday. It'll be a fun day. I think that's all. I have a joke for you. If you want to find out the answer to the joke, come out to Hangouts today from 9 to 10. The joke is, what is a tornado's favorite game to play? Tornado's favorite game. See if you can figure that out. Don't forget to get all your work done by Sunday night. That's when we'll do the drawing for the Dairy Queen gift card. See y'all.